Hey guys, welcome to Factopus. Do you know that Disney is the happiest place on the earth? In this video, I'm gonna tell you why Disney is the truly happiest place on the earth. So, if you are interested, continue watching this video. There's a very special, very unique feeling we get when we are at Disney parks. Somehow, these happy magical places always feel like a home. And if you are a Disney park fan, then chances are you know what we mean. But during times of stress, or if you are unsure if you will be able to make it to the parks anytime soon, sometimes it can help to be reminded why Disney is truly the happiest place on the earth. You can see your favorite movies brought to life. Where else can you see your favorite movies in real life than at a Disney park? Ever since Disneyland opened in 1955, it has brought fairy tales and favorite characters into real life. And today, you can go to any Disney park in the world, from Disneyland in Anaheim to Magic Kingdom in Orlando to Tokyo Disney Sea, and meet everyone from beloved Disney princesses to Mickey Mouse himself. But Disney goes beyond using characters from film in the park to bring movies to life. You can live out the most iconic Disney movies on attractions too. Enter Arendelle when riding Frozen Ever After in Epcot. Enter a galaxy far far away on Star Wars Rise of Resistance in Disneyland and Disney's Hollywood Studios. Meet your favorite heroes in Guardians of the Galaxy, Mission Breakout in Disney California Adventure. Or take a ride through a gem mine in Seven Dwarfs Mine Train at Magic Kingdom. Any of these experiences could bring a smile on your face, and of course, having a fast pass could make it even better. Hey, it seems you are having interest over this. If I have the right guess, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press that bell icon to have notifications for every valuable video. There is always something new. There is no arguing with the fact that there are several rites of passage when you go to the Disney parks, no matter how old are you when you make your first visit. The first thrill of dropping in the Tower of Terror when you forget you are actually on a ride. Your first time trying a new international food from the Epcot World Showcase. Even your first glimpse of a Disney castle out of the corner of your eye. No matter how many times you turn the corner on Main Street, USA, and see Cinderella Castle, it can still feel like the first time, and we always seem to forget how big it is. We can continue to live our wildest dreams whenever we visit the parks. Ever thought you could drive at the age of 6 or pilot the Millennium Falcon? How about meeting a swashbuckling pirate or encounter some hitchhiking ghosts? The first time you meet Mickey Mouse or ride the Haunted Mansion can be one of the most joyous experiences. And we can keep feeling that joy again and again. And of course, there's always something new. No matter how many times we visit, we can continue to discover new hidden gems at the park. Maybe a new attraction just opened, or there's a new flavor of Dole Whip for sale in Adventureland. Even if you are an annual pass holder or you visit the parks every year, you can still find something new and exciting with every trip. The Disney difference. Of course, Disney parks would not be nearly as magical without what we call the Disney difference. Disney provides a level of service that can't be beaten. Cast members treat guests in a way that makes us feel so appreciated, special and welcome. As though Disneyland and every other Disney park in the world truly is our land, like Walt himself put it. If you have ever experienced a magical moment thanks to a Disney cast member, that's the Disney difference. Cast members can go above and beyond to help guests have the best day ever when we are at the parks. And while many Disney guests have grown to expect the Disney level of service on every vacation, cast members can always surprise us. Even the simplest, smallest gesture to go a long way. Forget about the real world for a little while. Disney brings people from all walks of life together at the parks and tells us that we can forget about the real world even if it's only for a day. The parks tell us, don't worry about what's going on in your life right now. Think about this moment and savor it. You are safe here. When strolling down Main Street, USA in the evening after the fireworks have ended, listening to the familiar music and looking at the lights, it can feel like we are getting a hug from an old friend. And for just a little while, we can be fully present and happy in that very moment. No matter where we come from, what do we do for living, how old are we, or how life will be when we return home from the parks, Disneyland, Disney World and every other Disney destination tell us that now everything can be happy, magical and wonderful. And that's what makes Disney the happiest place on the earth. So this is all about the Disney World. I hope you like the video. If you do, you must subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification for every valuable video because I upload such content every week. Also, you can check out my channel for more amazing videos. And now it's the time for the question of the day. And the question is that how many Disneylands are there in the world? The answer for this question is given on our Instagram account, but before that, try to answer it yourself. See you guys in the next one.